lea ua se mai le tātou polokalame I le Samoan of the Week. Ma lea ua tātou whaatasi ma le tamaitai a ina Leniu. Lea o loo lea na whaamanuia ina ana tau mawhainga ma solai o ia ma le pine aulo I se tasi fo I o taamilusanga whaingoa ina o le Global Association of Mixed Martial Arts. Whaatala whātui lau sunga nei tai au ina.
Talofa lava. Thank you so much for having me.
And thank you so much mole for avanoa ina fo I o lau teimi. Ia mawhaia I o na tātou tala noa. Ia pole a fo I le taalonga leo le MMA o a fo I taamilusanga nei. So ia mawhaia na amata mai I le tala noanga wha mole ina. Ia mawhaia na e wha amatala mai. Pole a le taalonga leo le MMA po le Mixed Martial Arts.
Yeah, mua whako ese aku le ke lo ngana Samoa, but e ka mwhai aku.
Yes.
So, o le kālonga le mixed martial arts, e keleang ka lengi. So, e kusa e whai boxing, kickboxing, e ofo I male mapiinga, as well as le Brazilian jiu-jitsu. E o ai keimi e whai e fusuanga e alu uma vai malima.
Langa winga mako I le lea o lau kamakau lewa iaia.
Isi sas.
Mana ia. So o le ala le taamilusanga lea na e awai atu iai o le Global Association of Mixed Martial Arts.
Kusa le tournament le GAMA, Global Mixed Martial Arts Association. O se kalonga lea, o le tournament lea au mai e kanga mai le lalangi a koa e o mai e kanga kai fusu. So to contend for, you know, the first, second place, third place, gold, silver medal, or bronze medal, you know, to be the best in the world, the best MMA fighter in the world.
Yeah, mana ia o le whaalongo atu so e le na o se mea mo Australia, e le na o se taamilusanga mo le au MMA fighters po athletes mai tutono se atunu e tasi. Tu so le vaenga lea o le taamilusanga mo laulangi atoa global.
Yeah. Exactly.
Wow, I lea na pine aulo ai loa oe ma whamanuia ina I lea fo I taamilusanga ma lo lava le tawivi, ma lo fo I ate oe I le whinau. Ia, leo wa whaaya e ai fo I si o tātou atunuu ona o au tau mawhainga. So e mawhai lao na e whamatala mai. O whea na amata mai ei lau moi mitinga e a vea oe ma se tasi fo I o MMA fighters.
I would say o le ke mua ko lengi ai e whainka I le kaolonga le MMA. It's very challenging. So the moment I knew le whainka le kaolonga le, I knew it was something I wanted to pursue. It's a sport that makes me a better person because of the challenges that I am put through. So of course, in that moment, I knew, oh yes, this is my kalonga. This is for me.
Yeah, alu uma vai.
Yeah.
So leana sauno mai I lui tau foi I po challenges lea e te fia ia I le taalonga lea. O ani lui tau lea o loo whiangai ma oi le taalonga lea o le MMA. What are the challenges that you shared that you enjoy about the sport?
I guess o le pauare liukai o le kolenginga kolenginga le kingo ma le mafau because it's very challenging, and I myself I love a challenge because on the other side of a challenge, when you overcome it, you become a better person. E kaunga discipline. I don't know. It ain't upo discipline in Samoan, but yeah, discipline. E kele fo ile pressure le kingo, ma le mafaufaunga, e ai si aso e vai le kingo, but e paua aunga e pai ye.
Yeah, sa le.
Yeah, e whakolengi fo ile mafaufau e whamalosi. And you know, sometimes if I'm God, it's not easy, and who what Samoan likes anything easy, right? We all love a good challenge.
Very true. Ai sa o lei o tusa o lea o lo o whawai I le mental capacity fo I o le tangata lea o lo o alu e tau wā I lea ta alonga I le ngata o le whaamalosi le tino, the physical side of it. Ai mai se fo I o ia o le mental challenge leo lo o iei. So ma lo le onu sa I lea vaenga o lesi vaenga le tata noanga o le ase lango lo ainga I lo wha moe lea.
You know, I'm lucky. Amuia o lo coach. O lo kolua.
Oh,
so I'm blessed in that way. And, you know, just like every other Samoan family, you know, also every day checking in on me. Ainsley, Martha, Marianne, Ina, wo whailo ulu. You know, wo whailo loku. And may sila loki nga, ele misi ase aso, e kalo mai pui mai au. And I know it's just our Samoan values, you know, it's what every Samoan value, every Samoan family does. And I think that's what every Samoan wants. And that's all we need is just the moral support and the prayers that we get from our family. So I was very lucky. That was my support.
That's beautiful, Ina. O lea se sila sanga mo oe lea wa e pine aulo mai lea ta milo sanga. What's next?
I guess for me, fusu. I'm just gonna I'll keep fighting. I would like to go again and represent Samoa and Gamma in the next year to come. But I would also love for the kupulanga for all other Samoans to come join me, because I know that we have the potential to be at the top. I was fortunate to participate. Unfortunately, I was the only one that was able to represent Samoa, which seated us in number 14. But I know with the talent, the plethora of talent that we have in the Samoan community, in fighters and in the youth, that we can take it to the top to represent Samoa. And just, I guess, further to that, I guess o mele o kau sa ili atu yai fa kele ingale involvement o le kupulanga kameki Samoa in the sport, because there is so much talent. Okay, loa e koa kameki Samoa, you know, we have this strength that the world needs to see, and we can showcase this through MMA. So fighting, as well as opening opportunities for the kupulanga to come through and represent Samoa as well. Yeah.
Wrapping up our conversation, Ina Fa'amulumole. Now, last question. You spoke about tupulanga, ma lo nau ta inga ina ia awai tupulanga I lea fo ita alonga o le MMA. So, mo tupulanga lo o whaalongolongo mai fo I le nei temi o le polo kalami. O le ase skepu mua. What's the first step that they can do in order to ia au sia fo I la tau le vaenga po le tulanga lewa e iai?
Get involved. Get involved with the sport. First thing is find a gym, find a coach, or you can message me and I can help you find one. This sport is a great way to look after yourself. It's, you know, everything that you learn in the sport, you can they're transferable skills into, you know, other parts of your life. You look after yourself mentally, emotionally, physically, and you know, o ngata Samoa e toa le ko I le kaulonga lea. So I feel mai. Let's go and represent Samoa.
Beautiful. Whaafetai lava ina. Mole whaamalo si au fo'i mo tupulanga talavou. Ia me se fo'i mole whaavanoa ina o lo teimi a wā fo'i le tatou polo kalame I le nei tai au. O le matou tatalo, we are with you. We are supporting you all the way. Ia manuia tau mawhainga o lesi la asanga fo'i I lea ta alonga o le MMA and so le atonu ia afa ia avanoa fo'i ia kakau fo'i onko lengi lau kau makau ia.
I reckon you have a strong one.
You hear that, Tuivaiti? I have a strong one. Whaafetai lava ina ia manuia lava la asanga mo fofuanga o le nei iaso. Ma lea ua 25 minuti o na tale o le itu la iwa o lo e whaafonga mai le polo kalame malua le tai au Radio Samoa tasi 5 iwa tolu amo.